to connect Shopify with eBay. Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you a step-by-step process of linking your Shopify store to eBay to make it easier to manage your listing and sale across the both platforms. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to set up the eBay integration into your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then after creating your account on Shopify, then go back and open eBay account. Then even no matter it's personal or a business, then after creating your account on eBay and verify it with your email address or phone number, just go back and open Shopify dashboard. Then guys, go directly to settings on the bottom. Then here in settings, then we show you can easily create and install application into Shopify store to make easier to connect and link your eBay account to Shopify store. Then guys, go directly to apps and sales channel. Then we show you guys the easy application to use even you are a beginner. Just go to Shopify App Store. Then guys, in the search bar you can easily tap the Shopify Marketplace Connect, the name of the application, or you can just tap eBay, for example, eBay, then enter. Then it will show a bunch of different applications using the integration or eBay integration. Then I prefer to go directly to Shopify Marketplace Connect. As you see guys, it's give you a free plan to install. Then open this application. As you see guys, it's give you a free to install. Additional charge may apply. Sell across marketplace like Amazon, Target Plus, eBay, Walmart and Etsy. Manage it all in Shopify. As you see guys, this is the easy method or the easy application to use for eBay integration and also for Amazon and Walmart and Etsy. Then guys, go directly to hit on install. Then guys, again hit on install. As you see guys, it's very easy to install this application. Now guys, you need to go and to open your eBay and make sure to copy the email address that you are using on your eBay account. Then after, this is your Shopify dashboard. Then wait a few seconds to install this application on your Shopify. It's take a few seconds, don't worry. This is the name of application, Marketplace Connect Shopify, and you will be able to connect also Shopify with Etsy and Amazon and Walmart. Then guys, it's give you a bunch of different platforms: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart and Target Plus. Then go directly and hit on connect account to eBay account. Then guys, make sure to link. As you see guys, before selling on eBay, there is a few things that you need to know. You should already have an eBay account. As you see guys before, if you don't have, you need to register a personal or a business. No matter it was a personal or a business account on eBay. Personal account is used to sell limited numbers of personal listing. If you don't already have an account, go to return before import. As you see guys, just it's very easy, just acknowledge and continue. Then guys, you need to add your eBay account and the password. Then after creating and adding your eBay account and password, then hit on sign in. Then it will take a few seconds to sign in into your eBay account. It's very easy. And hit on submit. Now guys, wait a few seconds. Now your eBay was connected successfully. Just go directly to the left side, Marketplace Application Connect. Then go directly to settings to manage your application on your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is your account 48. Then eBay seller account, ebay.com. This is my eBay seller account. If you want to disconnect your account and create a new account, just hit on disconnect account. This is the link listing matched by SKU and GTN. And then guys, scroll directly to manage auto categorization, auto list, use web price, use Shopify stock level, everything. If you want to manage it, just hit on manage. It will take you directly to manage the automation, adjustment, shipping, which kind of shipping, the flat rate or request for a quote, or calculated by eBay. Always use and select calculated by eBay. Then scroll directly if you want to add the cost shipping, for example $5, or if you want to make it a free shipping. Then if you want to add a new zone and create a new zone, it's very easy, like Shopify policies. Return the policies 30 days money back. If you want to remove this money back, exchange it to another product. Then guys, return shipping paid by seller or buyer. Then guys, go directly, then hit on save. Then after saving the settings, then go back to scroll down to eBay template. If you want to add your logo into eBay template, for example, just hit and choose the file like this, select the logo, then it will add it automatically. As you see guys, your logo, my logo is well added successfully. The order import, order type, the only orders with the linked product, or I prefer to use all orders. The order status pending or complete. Taxes, cancel taxes to Shopify, or allow eBay with withhold and remind sales tax behind. Then after editing the settings to account, then hit on save. Now guys, your account or your eBay integration was successfully linked into your Shopify store with the easy method. Now guys, because I have the new eBay account, there is no listing. As you see guys, after adding the listing on your Shopify, sorry, then after adding the, as you see guys, hit the listing, then it will be added automatically into your Shopify. Then guys, go directly to orders if you have orders. As you see guys, I don't have any orders because it's a new account. Then it will appear automatically. Then you will be able to manage any orders and listing on into your Shopify store by eBay. This is the easy method guys to link your eBay integration into your Shopify store with the easy method and the free version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.